In the ever-changing world of business, an organization's success depends on constantly meeting new challenges and adapting to the marketplace. I'm Greg Gumbel. From e-commerce to investing, business strategies to human resources, join me as we take a closer look inside the workings of the modern global economy. Welcome to the Economic Report. Farming is one of America's oldest traditions. New technology, however, is changing the face of agriculture. Let's take a closer look.
America's farms come in all sizes, mostly up to 500 acres, with some ranging into thousands of acres each. There are 200,000 miles of oil and gas pipelines spanning North America. How can those who manage these vital resources monitor their operations from a central point? How does the farmer know if crops are being properly watered or attacked by disease? How can the oil and gas utility keep watch for leaks along the pipelines? Can entire countries monitor the water quality in their rivers and lakes? One company has the answer.
ADCON is manufacturing wireless telemetry systems which are used for data collection, transmission, and assessment. In agriculture, we use these tools for applications such as disease risk management, precision irrigation, well, pump, pivot monitoring. As a matter of fact, we were the first ones to deploy large-scale wireless sensor networks, which are now integrated in a turnkey decision support system, which does allow the farm manager to achieve his major objectives like lowering inputs, pesticides and fungicides, at the same time improving quality and yield, and getting the most efficiency out of water use and fertilizer application.
A monitoring station consists of a logger, radio, solar panel, rechargeable battery, and a number of sensors. With ADCON's ultra-low power radio and modem technology, users can easily set up large-scale measurement networks of 200 or more data collection points. Data is collected and routed to the internet, where it can be viewed on a web browser or any web-enabled mobile device. Data can be displayed as trend tables or event lists. Thresholds can be set to trigger alarms, which can be sent to home computers or mobile phones.
I think there's two main benefits. We use it both for real-time data, which is the irrigation monitoring side, as well as the weather side. On the irrigation monitoring side, I use it on a daily basis to assess the water level needs of the plants, and then I can get that down to our foremen who have to make the ultimate decision about which blocks they want to water at that time. And then we use it also for the weather monitoring side, determine what type of temperatures we've had in the past few days, which also tie into the irrigation side, but also to use it for historical data. We use it a lot in an end-of-a-year report to give us an idea of what happened that season as far as weather, temperatures, highs and lows, as well as rainfall.
The best irrigation practices maintain a balance between what is provided by the natural climate and what is needed by the crop. Sensors can track a wide range of climatic parameters, including precipitation levels and soil moisture, as well as water and air quality.
When I first heard about ADCON in 1995, I was very excited. For the first time, we'd have real-time climatic data that allow us to develop a site specifically for varietal and clone. For example, Oakville on the Valley of Oregon versus Mount Veeder has the same growing degree days, yet the Cabernet tastes very different in each site. ADCON gives us a tremendous flexibility in site development.
ADCON's Advantage Professional Server can run a wide range of assessments, including simple daily weather statistics, evaporation rates, growing degree days, and chilling hours. It can calculate the risk of disease and recommend treatment procedures. The system can also issue frost warnings and switch field equipment on and off. Extraordinarily sensitive radio receivers cover large distances by forming relay networks. Power comes from batteries that are charged by solar panels that are barely larger than a postcard.
I run a viticultural consulting service serving wineries, individual growers, and vineyard management companies. I run a network of roughly 200 weather stations throughout the state of California, Washington State, and Virginia. I've been working with ADCON componentry since 1997, and I'm particularly pleased with how easy the networks are to set up, enabling me to run my management company and still be able to run the network.
To learn more about this story, visit ADCON International at www.adcon.com.